tam, jak je ten dům, poslední u silnice, tak tam stál korunní svědek, který tvrdil po 4 měsících, že poznal v těchto místech Leopolda Hilsnera.
It's not that we don't know the accusation was fake.
Nebyl ten Hilsner označený jednoznačně.
Já jako si myslím, že to už nikomu nic nedá.
To je velmi důležité podle mě i pro české dějiny. Ten antisemitismus to tehdy platí o celé Evropě.
He says, oh no, this is well known that Jews commit murders because they require the blood of their victim.
Ta starší generace si myslí, že ten Hilsner to udělal, jako jo.
It's a guy who didn't do it. He was released, but he was never legally exonerated.
So long as this Hilsner case is unresolved, people will say it's true because look, it's on the books.
What I think, my opinion is not important.
It's a shame today, and even after Auschwitz, still to keep this nonsense.
Chceme, aby prostě bylo vyjádřeno to, že tehdejší porotci a soudci pochybili.
What does it actually cost them? Nothing.
It's a story that's being recycled to spread new hatred.
No, there's nothing anti-Semitic about this at all.
Na narozeniny Hitlera pochodovali po Jihlavě.
Every European living on the bones.
To zabili do té bubliny a tam najednou prostě přes ten internet se to stane realitou. A s tím nikdo nic nedělá. A měl by.
The countries seem to me to be going backwards. Not really a decline. They're just returning to their roots.